Do you want to know how you can log in to your Safeway Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Safeway Payroll account. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Safeway Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen, which will take you to the official page of Safeway.com. You can see sign in/sign up. Go ahead and click on it and click sign in, which is over here, and it will take you to this login portal. What you need to do first of all is write down your email address over here on the top of your box. So write down your email address in this box over here. Go to the password section and write down your password. Make sure to check your password once by clicking so, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Safeway Payroll account easily. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, click on this link to recover your password or your account once again. If you want to sign in without the password, click on this link over here, write down your mobile or email address, click continue. An OTP code or a mail will be sent to your phone or your email address. You can check it and you can sign in without your password. So guys, this is how you log into your Safeway Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.